来看到2025年即将结束，而美国呢却可能迎来近年最冷的跨年。北部从五大湖一路到东北部呢是遭遇到了炸弹气旋，而大雪、强风跟危险低温三重夹击之下，纽约州雪城累积降雪是逼近了1公尺，而中西部也受到了这波风暴波及，而西岸则将迎来豪雨，跨年活动可能受到影响。
Happy New Year, House Weekly!
What she said, Happy New Year!
站上时代广场1号大楼顶端，今年跨年主持棒由英国歌手瑞塔·欧拉以及连续20年主持跨年倒数的美国明星希克雷斯特共同接下，而象征新年的水晶球也在彩排中缓缓升空，准备闪亮迎接2026年。可天公不作美。数百万美国人正面临冰冻般的年末。
Did you guys have to do any shoveling or anything?
No, my dad's doing it.
Dad's did all the shoveling.
Just try to, get our dog. We have to walk the dog, and so, we were trying to make a way here on the sidewalk just so.
美国正面临炸弹气旋，北极冷空气南下，从五大湖地区一路横扫东北部，带来大雪、强风与危险低温。纽约州中部雪城一带累积降雪恐逼近1公尺。
How does this storm stack up compared to other storms?
Just how fast it accumulated. Just overnight, this much snow is a lot. It's a lot to keep up with.
水牛城阵风时速一度超过127公里，刷新40年纪录。市区几乎陷入停摆，道路能见度接近0。
The waves are just wild here in Hamburg, New York, again on the shores of Lake Erie.
然而，冬季风暴一路往南，已侵袭中西部，芝加哥、明尼亚波利斯、底特律无一幸免。全美航班延误数量暴增到数千架次，气象单位也警告，未来降雪将持续1整周。
In the west, we've got big-time rain coming in beginning tomorrow into New Year's Day. 4 to 5 inches of rainfall, big snow in the mountains, but the rainfall very much could cause more in the way of flooding and certainly dampen some of the New Year's Eve night festivities with rainfall expected there and maybe in Las Vegas.
全美各地跨年恐怕是今年最冷最动荡的一次，看来美国的2025年不打算就这么安静落幕。记者王巧清综合报道。
财经新闻不漏接，赶快下载非凡新闻 APP。